Right, I'm just going to show you how to remove a bin from one of these sharks. It's pretty straightforward, but unless you know, you've got two screws out, and inside the bin there is, I'll do these first of all. These are like a posi one, Phillips one screw, and they do get clogged up down here, so you might need to, because of all the waste and all the dust that goes in. They do get clogged up, you might not see them, you might have to clean all the way around it, inside it and everything before trying to get to the screw. I'm doing it by hand to make sure I can feel the screw head going in properly. There's one. The other should fall out in a minute. And then these others is with a T10 Torx bit with the hole in the end. I'm doing this while looking through the camera, so it may seem on my bit. It's a bit difficult lining them up when you're looking through a lens. But anyway, that's those two. And then at the top, usually I'd use a drill, but I stopped to keep the noise down. There we go. Right, it does take quite a bit of a freeing, right? It does release. If you pull it out from this end is usually better. And there's a seal. Just make sure that doesn't go anywhere. We'll just poke the screw back through. There it is. Right. And that's the bin removed. And we'll try and well, we will quickly put it together. Engage the bottom. Sort of trying to do the opposite of what we done first time. Not quite seated properly. There we go, that's better. Right, let's seat it in properly. So it's literally don't know if this is a magnet bit. No. So it could be quite tricky getting them. I had a magnet bit, it would be easier, but I haven't. Not to hand. It's quite difficult doing this from a camera. Right. Okay, that's easy. Okay, once. I'm sure by now it's pretty obvious what you got to do, so you probably don't need to watch the rest. Only doing this really because it's not easy to see the ones inside the bin, because obviously all the dust that accumulates inside, you're not really going to see them unless you know they're there. So that's all it's about really. But anyway, that's the bin back on. I mean, that works whether you've got the pink version, purple version, navy blue, but yeah, right, hope it helps.